Hi everyone, this is RustRAGLab, or RRL, a fully Rust-native framework for training, evaluating, and deploying retrieval-augmented generation systems. Think of it as LangChain vibes, but Rust speed, real training, and no Python magic glue hiding in the background. Let's start with models. RRL supports both local models and Hugging Face models, but everything eventually resolves to a local path, so the system stays reproducible and deterministic. Here I've added Roberta and BGE base, which we'll use for embeddings and generation. For this demo, we're using Qwen 2.5-0.5b. Why this one? It's lightweight, fast to load, perfect for demos and local experiments. And it behaves like a real instruction-tuned LLM. Now let's train the model. RRL uses LoRa-based fine-tuning, which means we don't retrain the whole model. We inject small, trainable adapters. Training is fast, cheap, and memory efficient. Here I configure epochs, batch size, learning rate, LoRa rank. Once I click Start Training, something cool happens. Training is done, but training alone doesn't mean success. So next, evaluation. RRL supports accuracy, mean reciprocal rank, MRR, and task-specific metrics depending on the setup. I select the trained checkpoint, run evaluation, and instantly get feedback. Now comes the fun part, RAG. First, we ingest documents. RRL loads raw documents, chunks them, applies overlap, and prepares them for embedding. This creates a clean, structured knowledge base. Next, we search. When I type a query, RRL computes embeddings, runs vector search, optionally combines dense plus sparse retrieval, and ranks results with scores. So the model isn't guessing, it's looking things up first. Like an open book exam, but the model actually reads the book. Finally, generation. The retrieved chunks are injected into the prompt, and Qwen 2.5-0.5b generates a grounded answer. This solves one of the biggest LLM problems, hallucinations, outdated knowledge, confident nonsense, and lastly, plain inference. No retrieval, no training, just a prompt, a model, and a response. This is useful for quick testing, comparing checkpoints, or deploying a lightweight inference service. Basically, ChatGPT mode, but it's your model on your machine. At a high level, RRL has 3 layers: a Rust core engine, responsible for ingestion, embedding, indexing, training, and inference. A fast API server, thin orchestration layer, 0 ML logic. A React dashboard, for humans who don't enjoy CLI flags. The important part is, Python never touches the model logic. Rust owns the performance-critical path.